Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm doing something really different today, as I'm sure you can see. I'm gonna walk you guys through this amazing gift idea that I have for Tony for Valentine's Day. Have you guys ever heard of explosion boxes? I just learned about them. I saw them on Amazon as one of like the most trending items right now. And I was pretty shook when I started looking into it because this is like a really cool, super thoughtful gift. What an explosion box is, basically, it's a black box like this with a lid, and when your significant other opens it up, it explodes, and you basically create whatever you want to create inside of it. So it's kind of like a DIY thing. When I first got this in the mail, it didn't come with any directions, it didn't come with any instructions, and I was a little bit overwhelmed, to say the least, because it also has all these like little itty bitty parts, and I didn't know what goes where or how to put things in or like what to do. But basically it's like a scrapbooking type of box, and you're supposed to create like an really cool picture collage inside with little sentimental poems or letters. What I did is I went to three places. I went to Costco and I got a bunch of photos printed out, and then I divided the photos into categories. Tony and I have been together for 12 years and we've been married for 8 years, which is crazy when I think about it. We've been together forever, and so we have been through everything together. Like, we met when I was 22. I was pretty much a kid, and we kind of grew up together, right? So I divided our journey a little bit. So I have one pile where I have all of our family photos, and these are photos when Kai was a baby, photos when Ollie was a baby. One pile which is just Tony and I, and it's crazy because like there's photos where literally we're just like kids, and then there's our elopement, because Tony and I eloped at City Hall, and then there's our Mexican ceremony. We had a ceremony in Mexico after, and then there's like pregnancy photos with Kai and with Ollie, and all of our travels. We went to Thailand, we went to Brazil together, we traveled like everywhere together. So there's just that section for us, and then there's the Kai section, which is the photos of him when he was little and growing up, and all those special times with him, and then photos with Ollie when Ollie came along, and all those special moments. And then there's the photos of the boys together because their relationship is really special. So I divided them into 5 categories, just so that I don't get too confused. And then after that, I went to the dollar store and I just bought a bunch of different like crafty things. So I bought like these cute little roses, I bought these hearts that stick on, I bought these little emojis that I think are really cute and saucy. I love emojis, as I'm sure you can tell by my thumbnails. And I bought like a bunch of little chocolates that I'm gonna put in the main box. And then I made another stop to go get gift cards. So I wanted him to open it up and get a bunch of gift cards. Tony loves practical gifts. He's a very practical guy. So the gift cards that I got him was one for Cineplex, because he's been saying that he wants to go to the movies with Kai, because I'm always the one that takes him to the movies and he stays back with Ollie. So he's like, I want to go to the movies with Kai. So that's an experience for him and Kai. And then I got him an Amazon gift card because he is an avid online shopper. He loves online shopping. Like, you think I'm bad? I am not as bad as Tony. Then there's the beer store, of course, LCBO, because every man loves that. And then I got him a Tim Hortons gift card because I know he goes there a bit during his lunches at work. So I just got like $15 or $25 in these, and I'm just gonna like hide them throughout the little box. So then as he opens it, he gets like these little treats. And then in the middle of the box, I am gonna do all of his favorite chocolates and some of his favorite candy. And I'm just gonna decorate it super cute. So watch me do this. This is probably gonna take me the whole entire day, but I think he's gonna love it. I'm so excited. I am back. So just to give you some perspective, it's all done. It is now 2:30 and I started it around 11:30. So it took me 3 hours to make this. It's really awesome, but you definitely need to give yourself time. And I would suggest almost doing it in like small increments, because I wanted to get this done so that I could film this for you guys. I felt like if I like did it over a span of a couple of weeks and took my time to like perfect it, I think that would have been really, really fun. Doing it like all in one go was good still, but you definitely start to like get into this mode where you're like over questioning. You know, sometimes you need a break when it comes to tedious work like that. But anyway, I'm gonna show it to you guys, and I'm so proud of it. It took me 3 hours to make this, but I think it's really, really special, and I think that it's going to be very touching for Tony. He's had such a hard year, such a hard 2019, and he always says that family is the most important thing, and that's something that his dad always said, that family is the most important thing. So I think this is going to be a gift that he's going to really treasure, and yeah, it's going to be very touching. It was really touching to make this. Actually, like now that Ollie's at an age where he's a little bit easier and he's getting a little bit older, it starts to get to you that like this is kind of the best time ever. Like, I don't know if I'll ever have a time in my life that I feel so fulfilled and in love and important to someone and to these little people. If you guys want to try to make one of these, then definitely do it, because I think it's like the most special gift you could ever give someone. You could even make them for your kids if you want. I just think it's so freaking cute. There will be a link in the description box below that will show you which store to get it from. Amazon, where I bought this one. I really, really like it, and it came the next day. If you have Amazon Prime, that's pretty cool. So just hit that link if you want to purchase this item. This is not a sponsored video. I just thought it was something really neat. I want to share it with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this content, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below to the channel. I'd love to have you as a part of our community. I'll see you next week. Bye.